this is Minesh Patel with IMTF Trade. I'm here to talk to you about something that could change the way you trade. I know a lot of people say that, but I want to show you actions on the charts to prove my words. You always want to validate everyone that's speaking because you really don't know if it's true or false. One of the problems that retail traders face is that they're using moving average indicators or chart patterns and to trade. And what happens is you give up the reward because you're waiting for something to happen. That is not the professional way to trade at all. You want to be able to forecast something that's about to happen before it does. And that's what we're going to show you today. We came up with a simple concept, a black bar on a chart. And it tells you that something can happen on the next bar. This way you could go ahead and set up the orders and everything and be prepared before it actually happens and not miss any of the reward. And that's what we're going to show you. And by the way, this is scannable too, so you could be prepared and have a symbol list before the market even opens to know exactly what to trade. So let's go through and show you how it works. So here's a simple chart here. You have a T&T. This is a monthly chart. It could be any time frame. It does not matter. But when you have this, it tells you on the next bar, something can happen. All you have to do is set up the orders. We make that process simple for you too, because we give you the entries, whether it be bullish or bearish, and with a blue dot. So there's your bullish entry dot. There's your bullish blue entry dot. Not only that, we give you your conditional stop, which is this red dot right there. And we also give you a target too. So we give you all that information. Now, what we've done is we also give you two optimization techniques. One is that you want to always follow the trend. To do that, you look at this line right here. This line right here, this black line right there is below price. That means it's in a bullish trend and you're taking a trade bullish. Also, the green background here, the shade, represents momentum. So the ideal trade here is to look at the next bar here, right here after T&T. If you have the V trend is bullish and the shade is right there, as you have in this example, you want to only take the trade on the bullish entry dot, and that's it. That's as simple as this system is. So you want to scan for the T&Ts, have your symbol list, know exactly which trades to take the next bar, place the orders before it happens, and go. That's as simple as it is. Now, let's prove to you this works. Let's look at every monthly trade in December, last month, and show you proof that this does work. So we're going to look at the T&Ts that were registered in November for the monthly time frame. So it tells you that there are opportunities for December. So here's a list here of all the T&Ts last month. This was my list going into the beginning week of December. And remember, you're looking for trades that have a shade and also this V trend here in the same direction of the trade. Those are the highest probabilities. Now I'm going to add another optimization technique, which is I also want a drawdown before I enter. So let's go for these trades here. So let me enlarge this here. VMC was the first one here. There's your November T&T over here. It opened here, went down, went through a drawdown, then came here, hit the blue entry dot, and you could see at the end of the month we were profitable. And if I shrink this down, you could see the target there. So this is a profitable trade for VMC last month. Here's another T&T here, V trend, shade, entry. This was profitable. Over here, we had our drawdown, entry. This was profitable. Over here, shade, V trend, entry, profitable. Over here, shade, V trend, you had your drawdown, and this was profitable. Charts are taking a little time to load. Here you did not have a shade, so this is not an ideal opportunity, but you still could take it if you're a little more aggressive. You had your drawdown, your entry, and it was profitable. Here, your shade, V trend, and you're profitable. Shade, you had a drawdown, V trend, and you're profitable. Here, you did not have a shade at all. The V, you were trading in the direction of the trend. You had a drawdown. This is profitable. Here, you did not have a shade and you're against the V trend on a bullish trade here. So if you applied the shade and V trend rules, you never would enter this trade at all. If you didn't have any rules and you just entered as soon as it hit the blue dot, you would have got here and you would have taken a loss. So this is a trade, NE, that you would not have taken. This is a trade you would not have taken. That was a loss. This is a trade you would not have taken if it was a loss. Over here, your shade, you're against the V trend, so this is counter trend here, but it was profitable. Here, this is no shade, it's against the V trend, ideal trade here, but it was profitable. Again, no shade against the V trend, but it was profitable. I'm just going to go through this list and scroll through them. So even if you don't apply any rules at all, not the shade, V trend, you just enter, you could see if its trades are profitable or not. That was profitable. This was profitable. This was profitable. That was profitable. That was profitable. This was profitable. This was profitable. This was bearish. That's profitable. That's profitable. Profitable. These are all the trades that did not have a drawdown, and you could see even without the drawdown how successful they were. Profitable, 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 profit, 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 profit. A little slow, but we're getting there. Profit, 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 profit. That's profitable, profitable. Come on. That's profitable too. It's a little slow. Profitable, 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 profitable. Profitable, 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 profit. There's a long list last month. Profit. This gap's a really not realistic entry at all. This was no entry. No entry. Actually, yeah, that didn't hit the bearish side. Profitable. This one as a loss. Profitable. Profitable. This was no entry. Profitable. This was a loss. That's a loss. Profitable. 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 Profit. 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 So that gives you proof on exactly what happened last month with TNTs. You could see that you could go through all that list. That was a huge list for December. And the way we filter is that we were looking for shades, so we filtered that list down for that. And then we made sure that the V trend was in the direction of the shade, so we had a little sub list there. And then we looked for a drawdown before we enter the trade. We did that. We had about 5 to 8 good opportunities out there going into the month. It was not time consuming at all, and it was profitable. So we made more money per hour and we worked less on the charts. That is the goal to become a professional trader. If you guys have any questions, you can email us at info@eiicapital.com. Remember, if you sign up with the VIMTF indicator, you also get the scanner for free, so you could do all the scanning and be prepared, and you don't have to look at charts over and over and over. You go where money flows. You go where big money flows. That's it. Thank you.